Here's your Windows laptop crawling at a snail's pace. Don't worry, let's give it a major speed boost in less than 2 minutes. First, the simplest trick in the book. Restart your computer. This clears out all the temporary junk clogging up its memory and shuts down processes running in the background. It's like a fresh start for your laptop. Next, let's tackle those annoying startup apps. Press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape all at once to open the Task Manager. Go to the Startup Apps tab and disable anything you do and need the moment you turn on your PC. Your boot up time will thank you. Now, press the Windows key and R together, then type temp and hit enter. This folder is full of temporary files. Just select everything and delete it all. Finally, search for Disk Cleanup in your Start menu. Select your main C drive and let it scan for unnecessary files you can safely remove. These super simple steps can make a huge difference in your laptop speed. For more quick tech tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe to Simple Tech Fix.